Welcome to the YouTube channel from the company SCHURZ in Austria. We are a producer for customized special attachments, special vehicles or stationary systems. In this special case we rebuilt a standard pedestrian stacker with an emptiness device you see here. So the stacker is a standard product in this special case from company Toyota, and we cutted the forks away, and instead of the forks we built this special emptiness device. Additional, we mount and separate hydraulic aggregate on this stacker, also additional valves to handle this attachment. How it is functioning, I will show you now. You can empty different kind of loads with this attachment, because we have here the possibility to adjust the height of the security arms. And for this special video we use a pallet with wooden frames on it. Also you can emptiness steel boxes in special dimensions, so we can of course make all measurements differences. We can produce it ourselves and make a special design for the requirements of the customer. So how it works: you have to positioning the stacker in a correct position to the box. So it is necessary to make a short control. Maybe it should work. Then you clamp the box, maybe a little bit adjusting in the high. So now it is finished, so we do not need a lot of force, because this nose will secure the boxes into the attachment. Then you can lift, and after that it is very simple to turn the box and empty it. In reason of this security noses, the frames will not fall down from the pallet. So I hope you like our video. Please like it, and it is also possible to follow us via Facebook. And nice wishes from Austria. Goodbye until our next video.